What's up, everybody? Irritation is Key here, and today we're back outside with all my beautiful friends. We got D over here. We got my cousin TT over here. Coaster Boy over there on his little Dora bicycle. So, yeah, we're back out here. Everybody seems to be at the park today.
Wait,
we have a sucky park, I swear.
Intro.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Check out his channel. No! Just tell him your name, bro. Just say hello.
Hey guys, it's me from Overlord Adventures.
Oh, yeah. Overlord Adventures. You saw that.
Where's it?
Random kid. Dab on it. Dab, PJ. Dab.
Dab boy.
Dab.
Boy.
Dab.
Dab.
This is Suhaid the Little Woozer. This is Joshua, my other cousin. This is Jose.
Hey, let's be on the camera or what?
No.
Let's
Bruh, so we're all outside today. Outside! Vlogs are best way outdoors! Sorry for that little cut there. My cousin was being a doofus. Don't be. Bruh, we got Coaster Boy coming up over here. We got Coaster Boy.
Oh yeah, what's up, guys? Just wanted yo, shut up.
Hey guys, let's have a YouTube squad.
Okay, guys, here's the thing. Daytona 500 this Sunday. I'm rooting for KB. He's rooting for Chase Elliott.
Chase Elliott. Oh yeah.
And I'm rolling for
We're in the outdoors.
I'm going for Joe Logano.
Joey Logano. All right.
Jimmy Johnson.
So we're all just outside having some fun. Random ladies running past.
You know me.
And Dum Dum. So, yeah, we're all outdoors. We're having fun. If you call this fun, sucks. Everybody out here, stop dabbing. You dab too much. We got Brian and Lauren. That's Brian and Lauren. Brian and Lauren.
Yep.
Brian and Lauren.
Here goes Brian.
Here goes Brian. We're recording a YouTube video. Oh, sorry, Brian can't have any fun. He can't be in any videos.
How about we go in my garage and make a video? How about we make? No, you're not.
Yeah. So we're in the outdoors.
Yeah.
Fun stuff happens outdoors.
Yeah, super fun stuff.
We're all riding around. Bruh, don't even. What? What
This is why you
stupid boy.
This is why.
Boy, this is why you stupid. You see Demarius? Demarius. TJ. Carter. Oh, Jesus Christ, you touched me, that's sexual assault.
No, it's not.
Oh my God, I got some rapists chasing me. Ah! Ah! Why me? Oh my God, it's a rapist. No, I'm joking, it's just my cousin. What's up, T?
Inspiration. Why are you running?
Don't know.
Oh.
Dab.
Oh yeah, and guys, cats are the keys actually.
Cat is the key to life. So we're outdoors doing stuff. I'm getting bored.
Hey guys.
We actually found stuff to do yesterday. Today we got nothing. I have no friend.
You have me, you idiot.
But so
It
begins. We gotta do stuff.
Yeah, we got some stuff.
Yo, Christy Home, go ask him if you can ride his bike. So TJ can ride the scooter and I can ride my bike. Yeah. Think so.
I can go now. TJ, stop that. Stop. Look at crazy
creepy dude over there. You see him? I'm pretty sure you see him. He ugly. He's daddy. Yeah, he got that ping pong ball hairline. Fucking so rounded and crooked. Oh, the Donald Trump hairline's real.
Yeah. Guys.
Yeah, so
Oh yeah, and guys.
walking around, making my way downtown, fucking fast, big pussies fast, and I'm fucking back.
Okay, you an idiot.
Stop doing that. What'd he say?
He can't come out until his dad comes back.
His dad's right there.
What the frig, bro?
Wait, we didn't want him out. We just wanted to ride his bike.
Oh,
Boy.
This is why you're stupid, boy.
boy.
Boy, this is why you
I
stupid.
beat that kid in a foot race. I had no shoes on.
Well, that's kind of stupid, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. Look at Blondie, also known as JD or JD or
My
Joshy. And look at TJ here, and also known as TT or TJ or T or so stupid.
No.
Stupid. Very, very.
You're very stupid.
You're very stupid.
No, you are.
No, you are.
Very stupid.
You're very stupid.
You're very stupid.
His house. This guy's trying to enter his house.
You
Oh,
do.
JD's at the room.
Hey, you're stupid. Chrissy,
Oh.
come out, guys.
Chris, why open the door? Yeah, you guys gonna go out, please. Gonna go. I don't need you here.
We just want to ask if Chrissy could come outside.
Open the door.
Now, Chrissy. Did you open the door?
Oh my God.
Well, we're going places.
We're going to let's post it.
We're going places.
Who's this kid? Now, let's post it.
So, I'm going to be uploading the video from yesterday to, I told you guys, the video you see might be like a day or two after it. Well, I know this one is shorter than the last one, but yeah, we're kind of done. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Overlord's channel, which is these two munchkins.
Hey.
Check out Costa
Well,
Boy.
what is their channel's name?
We told you.
Yeah, Overlord Adventures, like 101 or something. I don't know. But yeah, so we'll see you all in the next one. And deuces. See ya.